Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Pre-match excitement.
Hey, Mike, have you heard about the upcoming English Premier League match?
Oh, absolutely. It's the Manchester Derby, right? I've been waiting for this one.
Tom, yeah, it's a huge clash. The city is buzzing with excitement. Are you planning to watch it live or catch it at home?
Unfortunately, I couldn't get tickets for the live match, so I'm organizing a small gathering at my place. How about you?
Same here. The atmosphere at the stadium is electric, but watching with friends is always a blast. Who do you think will come out on top, City or United?
It's a tough call. Both teams have been in great form lately. I'm a United fan, but City's attack is impressive. It could go either way.
True, it's always a nail-biter. Let's hope for a thrilling match and some stunning goals.
Absolutely. Can't wait for the kickoff. It's going to be an epic showdown.
Scenario 2. Post-match analysis.
Hey, John. Did you catch the English Premier League game yesterday?
Yeah, I watched the highlights. What a game it was. The last-minute goal completely changed the outcome.
I know, right? City played exceptionally well in the second half. That comeback was something else.
It's moments like these that make the Premier League so exciting. Did you have a favorite moment from the match?
I loved that counterattack leading to the winning goal. The pace and precision were incredible.
Agreed. And did you see the manager's reaction on the sidelines? Priceless.
Absolutely. These matches are more than just a game. They're full of drama and emotions.
Couldn't agree more. Let's hope the rest of the season brings us more thrilling moments like this one.
Scenario 3. Fantasy football discussion.
Hi, Emma. How's your fantasy football team doing in the English Premier League?
Hey, Alex. Well, it started strong, but I made a few questionable transfers recently. It's been a roller coaster.
Tell me about it. My star striker got injured last week, and I didn't have a good backup. Now I'm scrambling to fix my lineup.
Injuries can be a game changer. I'm thinking of using my wild card to revamp the entire squad. Have you used yours yet?
Not yet, but I might have to consider it. The upcoming fixtures are tricky, and I need to strategize.
The transfer market is so unpredictable. One week a player is a hero, and the next, they're benched. It keeps us on our toes.
That's the beauty and frustration of fantasy football. It's like managing a team within a team.
Exactly. Let's hope our decisions pay off in the next game week. Good luck with your transfers, Alex.
Thanks, Emma. May our fantasy teams rise to the top of the league.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.